So this is the assembly that I could see of the smart microscope. That this is the stage. These are dismountable magnetic clips to hold the slide, and these are the magnifications. You get 100, 600 and 1200. This is the LCD screen. I have to charge it before using it, and this can go for transfer of data, and they had also provided a charger here behind which I have plugged in, so I have to charge with this. And all these are common sense, simple to this one. The beauty is that this can be folded and used. It's very compact, portable type of microscope which can be taken anywhere, and I'm really impressed with its design, and also I have to check its function now after some time. But overall the system looks quite acceptable. Only now after charging I have to see the function, and here there is a on off switch they have provided. Which turns on, no problem. But the battery has drained out because the machine must have been packed for a long time.